Hello there, it's Hilly from SevereWeatherTV.com bringing you the latest in tropical cyclones and the continued United States tornado outbreak already in progress. So, quickly, we'll talk about this active, severe tropical storm Tapa. This is the only thing that's in effect at the moment. Per the National Weather Service office in Guam, they have a tropical storm warning in effect and a typhoon watch in effect for some of the area for this storm. So that is Tapa. So on to the United States severe thunderstorms and stuff. There's apparently only one tornado warning in effect at the moment. There, however, are a whole bunch of severe thunderstorm warnings in different places and some special marine warnings as well. Those are the purples. In general today, things are a little bit tapered off from yesterday. That's the good news. There's no high-risk outlook area like there was yesterday. It's a 15% tornado chance instead of a 30%. There are no particularly dangerous situation tornado watches in effect. However, it's only just a little bit below. And of course, one of the huge problems with this is that some of the areas forecast to potentially get these damaging storms are areas that have already been hit yesterday. So areas that are still recovering could see yet another round. In general today, here's the map showing the probability of 58 mile per hour and greater winds. Here's the map showing the probability of 1 inch or larger hail. Here's the black hatched area, which shows the possibility where there may be 2 inch or larger hail. Doesn't mean you can have 2 inch or larger hail elsewhere, but that's where it's more likely to occur than anywhere else. And of course, the tornado map. So again, yesterday there was a 30% chance with the black hatched area as well. Today it's I shouldn't use the word only. 15 is really still very much a high number for tornado probabilities. And then there is the black hatched area. So to break it down, the 15% area is just the probability of a tornado occurring within any given 25-mile radius circle. And then the black hatched area is where there's something indicative in the weather models that indicates that the tornadoes that occur could be strong. So instead of just EF0 to EF5, it could go all the way up. You're looking at EF2 to EF5 type of tornadoes in that area. Doesn't mean that it is going to happen, it just means that the models see something favorable in there. Now, to show you something briefly, that's the overview. Here, for instance, you can go here, severeweatheroutlook.com, to get your particular outlook for your area, but you can also move this around. But so, for instance, this area in Mississippi, they have the black hatched area. That's why that's in black. So the 15% chance of a tornado, part of Alabama as well in that 15%. So you can use that for additional information. Tomorrow, no significant area, so that is good. However, it is a 30% chance at the moment. Day after that, finally a little bit of relief, but still a 5% chance, but moving off to the coast. And then finally, May 2nd, hopefully we will be completely rid of it. What a refreshing thing. Potential too low, as opposed to predictability too low, which could indicate that there is still things forecasted in days 4 through 8. Now, this doesn't mean, of course, that there couldn't be something that comes along later, but as of now, hopefully it will be all over, at least for a while. SevereWeatherTV.com is a website you can go to, and of course on a day like this, you should be following along with local media outlets, so like keep a TV on in the background, have your weather radio on, and have it have batteries and stuff like that. If you have access to radar, that would be good to have. Check in on the radar every so often. And yes, so hopefully today you stay safe out there.